Welcome, fam. You ever wake up and feel like something's just off? Not in pain, not injured, just disconnected. Like your body and breath aren't speaking. Today, we restore that connection, starting from your spine and sinking deep into your hips. Let's hit the mat. This pose is where stillness begins. It's not just about stretching, it's about grounding when the day tries to pull you in 1,000 directions. Kneel down, bring your big toes to touch, knees wide. Sink your hips back towards your heels, stretch your arms forward, forehead rests gently on the mat. Soften your breath. You're going to feel space across your back and ribs, your hips slowly melting into your heels. This pose calms your nervous system and decompresses the spine before the day even begins to demand from you. That length you're finding in your spine, we're about to build flow into it. Can you breathe 1 inch deeper into your ribs? 5 more seconds. Are you relaxing into the floor or resisting it? That just anchored your breath. Now let's set your spine in motion. Stiff back, foggy mind, this stretch hits both. It's one of the simplest ways to wake up your spine and with it, your focus. Come on to all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest, gaze up, cow. Exhale, around your spine, tuck chin, press through your palms, cat. Move with your breath. You'll feel a wave through your spine, breath sinking with every movement. This gentle undulation restores spinal rhythm, boosts circulation, and clears the mental cobwebs. This move increases cerebrospinal fluid flow. Yes, it literally refreshes your brain. Go 1 inch deeper into both the arch and the round. Are you moving your spine or just your head? That just reawakened your center. Now let's light up the base. If your hips are your foundation, this is your strength check. Most people skip this, but it's where stability is born. Stay on all fours, keep your right knee bent, lift it out to the side like opening a gate. Control the lift and the return. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You're going to feel a glute activation, deep hip rotation, core engagement to avoid tilting. Fire hydrants isolate your glutes and retrain the hip stabilizers that prevent low back strain and posture collapse. We're taking this activation and pairing it with mobility next. Pause at the top of each rep, 5 more seconds per side. Are your hips square or is your spine cheating for you? That just activated your glutes. Now let's get the hips rotating from the inside. This move reveals what your hips are hiding. This one is the most overlooked keys to real mobility and injury prevention. Sit on the ground, knees bent, feet flat and wider than hips. Drop your right knee towards your left, then come back to center and repeat on the opposite side. Keep your spine tall, movement slow and smooth. You're going to feel a gentle twist deep in the hip socket, glutes letting go, core keeping you upright. Internal rotation is vital for healthy hips, smooth walking patterns, and freeing tension from the lower back. Lack of internal rotation can be the root of ankle, knee, or even shoulder pain. Can you drop your knees lower without leaning back? Try for 5 more seconds. Are you moving from your hips or from momentum? That just freed up your hips. Let's stretch the entire chain. This is the reset button. All the movement, breath, and control we built, it lands right here. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Exhale and hinge at your hips to fold forward. Knees can bend, head hangs heavy. Let the arms dangle or grab opposite elbows. Sway gently if it feels good. You're going to feel a release through your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Gravity doing the work for once. Forward folds lengthen the posterior chain and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping you start calm, not chaotic. This grounded energy is how we rise tomorrow. Drop your chest 1 inch closer, breathe through the last 5 seconds. Are you folding or finally letting go? That just resets your whole system, spine, hips, nervous system in sync. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.